Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to open an accountant's copy in QuickBooks. If you've never dealt with one before, don't worry. It's actually pretty simple once you see it. So first thing, go ahead and open your regular company file, the one you work in every day. This is the file that'll accept the accountant's changes later on. Once the file loads, head up to the File menu, top left corner, and hover over it so the drop-down shows. From here, choose Accountant's Copy and then click Open Accountant's Copy. This lets you load the Special Accountant version without messing up your main books. QuickBooks will ask you to pick the file. Your accountant probably sent you something ending in QBX or QBY. Just find it, select it, and hit Open. And when you load an accountant's copy, QuickBooks might remind you about temporary restrictions, like not editing anything after the dividing date. Totally normal, just click OK. Now your accountant's copy should open in its own window. You can browse around or review adjustments, and if your accountant already sent changes back, you'll see an option later to import them into your main file. And quick bonus tip, when you're ready to pull in the updates, go back to File, then Accountant's Copy, and choose Import Accountant's Changes. And that's basically it. So now you know how to open an accountant's copy in QuickBooks and handle the files your accountant sends. Thanks for watching.